Welcome to Papa's Workshop. In today's video, we're going to finish up a chest of drawers that I started actually a while back. And I'm going to put a link to the full build down in the description below. But for today, I'm just adding the knobs to the dresser. And I want to show you a new tool that I'm using to be able to get those knobs aligned perfectly. So let's get started. A day in the shop with Papa in Papa's Workshop. To support my channel, please go to patreon.com/Papa's Workshop. In today's video, we're going to be finishing up this chest of drawers, putting the knobs on, and talking about this build along with a new tool. Now, this chest of drawers actually is not an entry-level build. The cabinet itself is very straightforward, but installing these drawers are a little bit of a challenge. That spacing must be perfect. You notice if you look up close that these drawers actually slide in and they fit flush with that frame. Now there's the 1/8 inch gap all the way around this drawer face, and that's the challenging part. You have to be able to get this exactly right, because if your measurements are off, these drawers will not fit into this cabinet. And that's why I say this is not an entry-level type of chest of drawers to build. It's much easier if you have a face frame that the drawers can slide in and touch. But with that said, the ease of putting in these drawer pulls are fantastic with this new tool. And this is a true position tool that I'm using today that is working absolutely fantastic. And I'll just continue on down. Now this tool allows you to be able to set it up to have very precise measurements, and you don't have to duplicate it. Plus you have the guide hole there for the drill, and it's perfect. It also makes it where you can switch it from left to right with ease without having to reset up anything at all. And you can use this on the cabinet doors such as this, any type of arrangement that you want. Now I'm using a single pull for my drawers fronts, but you can also use with the 2 holes, and I'm going to show you how that gets set up in just a moment. And to be able to show you switching from left to right is very easy. Just to simply turn it over and set it in place, and you're ready to be able to drill your hole. It's a huge time saver also over what I used to use. And with the holes drilled, it's just now simply a matter of just screwing in the knobs and it's all finished. Now I want to take a moment and show you exactly the tool that I'm using and how best to be able to use it. Now this is a professional grade precision tool that is a fantastic addition to the shop. This true position tool allows for accurate measurements and the perfect drilling operation each and every time. Now, before I go into the details on this true position tool and the advantages of it, I want to show you what I used to use to be able to drill the holes in my cabinets and my furniture that I was making. And it's nothing more than a scrap piece of plywood, and sometimes it was a little bit larger, and I would do all my measurements and line it up and put the holes in it. And then on the back side, even a lot of times I would label it for which holes to use. And there were some big problems with that, because as you use this and you drill multiple holes, these holes began to be larger and larger, and the accuracy just wasn't there. So these, I'm happy to say that I can throw away, because I truly have a professional grade tool now, and this is that true position tool that is absolutely fantastic. And I want to show you the details of this. It is an amazing product. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can go to their website and check out all the different products that they have. But the True Precision Tools is an amazing contractor grade professional tool that will really make building your cabinets so much easier. You'll be able to get the drawer pulls on much faster, save a lot of time, and of course, money. So here it is, the True Position Tools, and I want to be able to open this up and show you exactly what comes in this kit. This is a very precise well put together kit that has everything that you need to be able to drill very precise holes in your cabinet drawers and in your cabinet doors as well. Now, the first thing I want you to really pay attention to is the quality of the detail. This is measured in millimeters and in inches, and it's extremely precise. This tool can be used literally on any type of job that you would have. It also has this center bar to be able to measure out left and right with the measurements up to just over 6 inches. And you have the center hole for the single knobs that I was using, as well as the double knobs. This is the guide bar. Again, you can set the precise height that you need, and it even comes with the drill bit that just fits perfect in these guides. Now you have 3 drill guides. The 2 on the left and right will actually slide to be able to get the exact size pull that you have. The center one is fixed, and these guides are precise, and it will make it where the drill will fit perfectly. Now what I like about this tool is that the measurement is in inches and in the metric. And along with that, it is extremely precise. You can just unscrew the knob and you can slide this to any measurement that you want. So if you have the drawer, as I did here on this cabinet, it was a 9-inch tall drawer. I wanted it in the center. So literally all I need to do was just slide it up to the 4.5 inches, put it right there, tighten it, and at that point I know exactly that that is going to fall in the center. Now as far as left and right measurements, you can slide this left and right, and again you have very precise measurements, so you can position anywhere that you want. Now in my case, I wanted to be able to have my pulls 7 inches from the end. Well, this only goes out to about 6 inches, but that's not a problem, because with this tool, you can just simply slide this on. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this at the 5-inch mark, because that works real well. So there's my 5-inch, and I'll tighten that down. And then I'll take my other bar, and I'll slide this in. This extension bar actually goes out to just over 22 inches. But what I'm going to do is set this bar right at the 5 inches also. And I'll tighten that down. And now this is simply an extension of the exact same measurement. So if I want that drawer pull 7 inches from the edge, all I need to do is just slide this back on, bring it right down to the 7 inches, tighten it, and I'll tighten that down, and I'm set. I can now do all of my center pull with this center knob right here, and I can drill all of them with this guide right here, and I know it's going to be exactly precise measurement. This is so much better than having this old tool. I am so glad that I can take this and just throw it away and never use it again, because this is fast, it's easy, and it's precise. That's a winning combination. Now, if you have pulls with the 2 holes on it, let me just show you how easy it is to set it up. We'll just take this guide off for a moment. And I'll slide these 2 on. Now you can set this for any size that you want. A lot of them are 4-inch, so I just measure out my 2 inches, tighten that down, measure my 2 inches over to here, tighten that down, and it's set. So that would now be able to drill the 4-inch pull without any problem at all. In a lot of the modern cabinets that you have, they'll use pulls that are even larger. Some will be 6 inches. So that would be 3 inches there, 3 inches there. So now that gives me a 6-inch pull. And I'm set. It's done. It's just that fast to be able to adjust this to any size that you want. A lot of the different drawer faces are 4 inches, 4.5 inches. So if I need to set this where I want it in the center on this part, and if it's a 4-inch drawer face and I want to be able to have that pull in the center, just slide that down to the 2 inches right here, tighten it, and you're ready to be able to start drilling the holes. To be able to have this as convenient and easy is amazing. Thank you for watching the video today. I really appreciate it. And if you liked the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification down there so that you'll be notified on the different videos that I'm uploading. So again, thank you for watching the video today, and I look forward to seeing each and every one of you in the next video that I'm doing, whatever that may be.